y'all. I know it's been like a huge minute since y'all seen me on YouTube, and I know I took like a 2-month break. So much stuff has happened. I have to fill y'all up. I have to. I know I look a little crusty and dusty right now, but we're going to fix that. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be kind of cute because I'm waiting on my friend to come and get me. I'm not in Tallahassee because, you know, it's Christmas break or whatever. I need to stay in here because this is where the good lighting is. What I'm about to do right now is we're about to go to the beach, and I think we're gonna eat pizza or something like that on the beach or something. I don't know, but I will be taking you guys along with me. But yeah, you guys wanna see my dog? Say hi, Cash. His name is Cash, Cash with the K. I prefer the $S, but you can use whichever you want. Isn't that right, Bobby? So, yo, I will. Let me touch on my dog like that. Boy, I throw this water bottle at you. So I will catch you guys on the flip side when I'm done getting ready for the beach, and I'm gonna show you my outfit and everything. You guys are going to love it. Okay, we are back. Let me show y'all my outfit before we go. Yes, get into it. Outfit by Shein. And then I just have on pink Crocs because the shirt says Angel and it's in pink, so you know. And then my hair, it's just in a little bun. Not even a bun, like I just put it up because it's too hot. Like my lace, I feel like is starting to lift because it's hot and I don't like that. Oh, I forgot my lip gloss. This will complete the look. Boom. Let me put some more on because y'all know can't never go wrong with too much lip gloss. Well, you can, but not me. How do I look? Now we shall wait. I'm probably gonna have a jam sesh while I wait. Should I? I should. I think I should. I forgot my shades, y'all. He's here. Look at that. And they've been blowing up my phone. I'm sorry. He outside?
Yeah, he outside.
How he know where I live?
Ooh. Who don't know where you live?
YouTube. All right, so he's here. We're about to go. Let me get my lip gloss. Grab my purse. All right, bye, Cash. We're gonna stop this video. Turn this off. I don't want to get copyrighted. I am so mean. I'm sorry, y'all. We're on our way to the beach right now. DeAndre, say hi.
Herder.
Where is the good lighting?
Oh, I gotta go get whatchamacallit, some more.
I have a feeling they're not even gonna be able to hear me.
I gotta go get DeAndre some more film. His film in my car.
Some more who?
You brought the camera?
Yeah.
So yes, we're at Walmart, y'all.
Yeah,
not you with a Polaroid.
yeah, I got a Polaroid guy.
We're at Walmart. We came here to get some. What we came here to get?
I don't even know. I think food.
We came here to get some food for the beach, obviously.
What's up, vlog?
This is Travis, y'all. What are we coming here to get? Food, right?
I think, yeah. And I left DeAndre film in my car, so we gotta steal some more out of here.
What is for his Polaroid?
Yeah.
Y'all want some shutters home?
We need some wine coolers.
Oh yeah, can we get some? My mom said I can drink those. Damn, Walmart is empty.
Guys, what's up? It's Drizzy Dre on the cam.
Not Drizzy Dre.
Yes, sir. Hey guys, we're getting supplies because we're gonna go to the beach. You know, we have to wait on someone who are all too underage to be drinking, so we're gonna have someone of age come get us some wine coolers.
We're not getting nothing. We're not getting hardcore liquor. We're just getting.
Yeah, we're just getting some wine coolers. And then we're also getting some film. Travis think he know where he going, but he don't know where he going.
No, cause it
I don't know how your arms are getting tired from doing this. My arm's tired already. I got our last Walmart trip here. We kind of boosted because we'll take Christmas photos, but we did that.
Oh, look, Dario the Wimpy Kid.
I thought they stopped making those. those.
I thought so too, but look, these are all of them. I start reading right here. Oh, that blue one. Oh, I start reading.
It's saying,
there.
what is that, cabin fever?
Yeah.
Saying,
That's when they got boring.
Honda.
Oh gosh, it's so hot in here with this mask on. Like I can't breathe.
Momaya, let's go. Let me go help her.
Please. And he writing down her information and everything. He writing down her information. He got his pen and paper out and everything.
They gonna blow her ass up.
Sprint is trash anyway.
No, they from AT&T.
Walmart got good clothes in Tallahassee, okay? Especially them jackets. While she do it. Make your own bath bomb. Oh, DeAndre, you try to save her and it didn't work.
This is the corner you stole out of. Oh no, this ain't gonna work.
That's what I'm stealing out of Walmart.
Yeah, we stole some ugly sweaters. We stole from one in the hood.
That's the dome.
Walmart already got Valentine's Day stuff out. Like these people is ready for that. We just got out of Christmas. We all broke right now to be buying Valentine's Day stuff.
Shit, I'm about to chocolate for myself.
But ew, no. Anything that's like this is the worst chocolate ever. Like you need to get something like this. Oh, this is cute. My Valentine that's out there. Hint, hint. Or anything with like white chocolate. Hint, 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 hint. What's your favorite chips? Let me know down below. Your favorite Lay's chip. Mine is those or the classic ones. The classic ones or the salt and vinegar. Those are my favorite.
I ain't going down there. We ain't got nothing to put in.
Yeah, that's not food. What's she looking at? That girl in the aisle, like she's staring me down and seeing me intently, and she looked at my feet like she sized me or something. Is there a problem, babe?
Y'all want cookies?
I don't want cookies. You know I don't eat that junk food stuff. Yeah, this candy
Now you eating people's candy already.
is the best. I know, right? But that's okay as long as you can. That's the thing. You can open it in the store, but as long as you buy it.
Oh, I can't eat that. It got pork in it.
It got what?
I think it got pork in it. Animal. Because I don't eat pork anymore. So.
Wait, it got pork in here? It's supposed to be candy.
Gelatin. A lot of stuff got pork in it.
Gelatin is pork?
Yeah, it's pig makeups and stuff, and animal makeups.
Oh hell.
Those, the apple one.
This? Let's see if it focuses. This is supposed to have pork in it. I don't want it now. Let me taste it. It's so hard. It's nasty. This is why you open stuff before you buy it, so you know if it's good or not. And I'm not really, it's not giving me good energy. So, it's nasty. I'm about to throw it. My sunglasses falling. I'm about to put these down. Because I don't like these like that. I put them down, y'all. I do not like them. Y'all, I had to get it back because the recording was right there in process. So I need to put it somewhere else.
$1, $2.
Because, y'all, I was not going to buy that. It was so nasty. It wasn't so nasty, but like I wasn't going to eat that whole bag. So why would I buy it, you know? Cheeses and pretzels. The best snack you can possibly eat. Got no money on my card. How much is it? Yeah, we're at Rocco's Pizza. We're getting pizza on the beach. AVE. I don't ever tell people my name. I mean, I tell them my name, but I can't stand to correct them because I know that they're not going to get it correct. Day and night. he ain't do nothing for me, so no tip on my card. What happened?
You would have paid.
Oh, I would have kept it too. I'm so sorry.
How you doing? Can I get a large
Please.
fry? Can I get
Disrespectful churn. So hopefully I don't run into none of the kids that I saw at my high school, because
We did it.
huh?
We did it.
We didn't, John. We didn't, John. You are the next president of the United States. They
It was
do.
1922.
What'd you get?
Oh, wow.
No, you didn't. That's because they should got one slice. Excuse me.
I don't know how much comes in here.
It's a lot, depending on what size you order. I got pepperoni pizza and French fries.
I got a whole box of Spanish here.
He got a whole box of people. A whole box of people. He got a whole box of pizza. Travis eats people. The beach. Y'all, this water is freezing. I think it's because it's cold. I can't. Go, DeAndre. That little weak round off.
You know he a white boy at heart.
He is. Yeah, I see my good excuse. Yeah, I started eating it already. I'm so sorry. But it's my pizza. I'm probably not gonna eat that other slice. We got some fries.
What? Pizza and fries.
Pizza and fries. We got chicken over there. We got chips and candy sitting over there. And we got
They come out water.
juices, water,
Far out there.
and drinks in there.
The border control don't get all
It's my food, my pizza that I'm gonna devour. Okay, y'all, so that was it for my beach vlog. My camera died while we was at the beach, so I didn't get to finish the vlog, but after I ate, I had left anyway. Yeah, so now we're here. I'm home. I'm about to cook. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I had enough footage for this vlog, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You guys said you did want to see more vlogs, so that's what I'm doing. I will chit chat with you guys later, and toodaloo.